Hey guys, how are you doing? Welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing great and hope you had a great week this past week. In this video, I want to talk about my analysis for Euro USD for the upcoming week. And as usual, I'll be starting off with the weekly time frame and we'll work our way down to the 4 hour time frame. And now, as you can see from the weekly time frame, like I was saying previously, price gave us this strong bullish signal here, which is this engulfing candle. I was expecting price to get to the 50% Fibonacci level, which price did, and I was expecting price to bounce the upside. Price moved a little bit here, but ended up, coming all the way down. So when it lost on gold down, we didn't trade on Euro US down. We didn't trade it for a while, just because of everything that's been happening in the past week in terms of what's happening in Europe. So I stayed off Euro USD for a while. But for the upcoming week, there are some signals that I've seen, and I've already checked my trade already, and hopefully, I'm expecting it to play out the way I expect. So again, the reason why I took this trade, I'll show you, and it's not too late to take the trade as well, is that we have this support level over here. The price tested once, price came back here to test it again too, and rejected off it. Price came down here to test it again, 3. That's why it formed the engulfing candle. And immediately price got to that level again. We have this rejection here as well, again, and this is our fourth touch. Okay, so this is not a very strong pin bar. However, because of it's not a very strong pin bar, however, it's still a pin bar because the tails is way longer than the body, but we expect a smaller body. And let's see how this candle closes later on, because the market will close in less than an hour's time. But the reason why I took this trade again is because price has respected this support level here, 1, 2, 3, and this is the 4th time price is respecting it. And you see on the 4-hour time frame why I took my entry. So if we go to the daily time frame as well, we can see what is happening here. After this strong bearish candle, there was this wick here that formed, so it means that there were some buyers here and rejection that were already pushing price to the upside. And as you can see, we are about 28 pips, almost 30 pips in profit already. Again, if we look at this candlestick pattern, it may not be clear just because of this wick, but if I change this candlestick to lines where you can clearly see what I'm looking at, you can see clearly what has formed there, and which is what we know as the inverse head and shoulder. So we have it touching here the left shoulder. We have it to the starting of the neck, then forming the head here again, all the way to the neck here. So this area forms the neck. Then price got to this level here again, and then now it's heading towards the upside, towards this neck area, and it could possibly be a break of the neck and continuation all the way to this area here. So, and this, we're targeting about 450 pips on this particular move, hoping to hold it for the next week or week and a half, and we'll see how price plays out. And I have my stop loss here already. I always respect my stop loss. I don't move it unless I'm in profit significantly. Then I move my stops to break even. So again, inverse head and shoulder is one of the reasons why I've decided to take this move. That is one. Second one again is the several rejections of this support level here, which also can coincides with a psychological level of 1.12. So which also backs my reason. So that's 3 reasons already. And then if we change it back to candlestick pattern, I'll take you to the 4-hour time frame and show you how I took my entry on the 4-hour time frame. So when we get to the 4-hour time frame, I'm just going to move this here. This is the candlestick I entered, and I'll just take this away because we already understand what I did there. Okay, so on the 4-hour time frame, we can see that when price got to this area, right, there was this rejection there. Okay, and it formed this pin bar on the 4-hour time frame, followed by this other bearish candle. So this bearish candle, pin bar, and bullish candle is what we call a bearish. It's what we call a bullish signal. That is a morning star. These three candles together. Okay, and a good morning star is one that in which this the bullish candle forms at least 50% of this bearish candle, and you can see this is about 50% or even more than 50% when it closed. So it's a very good buy signal. So I could have buy here as well. I could have bought my trade here and possibly put my stop loss just below here. I could have also bought when this pin bar and when this pin bar formed as well, which would have been a very good sniper entry. But I waited and price came back down here to test this area before now forming this engulfing candle, and that is why I entered my trade into that area. So I entered on the formation of this bullish candle. So we have this bullish engulfing candle here, and we have this morning star here. Those are strong bearish signal. Again, if you go to a smaller time frame, say the 1 hour time frame, we can see that this is more or less a double bottom pattern as well. The price coming down here and here as well. Okay, they're now going to the top, which is what I'm expecting. There could be a slight retracement, but generally speaking, on the longer time frame, I'm expecting price to go to the top, so I won't be swayed by any sort of retracement at all. So that has been my analysis and my rationale behind taking this trade. Like I said, you can also enter because the market was give us opportunities to enter. And then even if there are retracements, I wouldn't be selling this market. I would only be looking for buy opportunities, as you can see on the daily time frame. So this has been my analysis for Euro USD for the upcoming week. I am bearish. I'm bullish on Euro USD. I'm expecting price to continue to the top. I'm expecting about 450 pips profit on this trade. So I hope this video has been very helpful to you. If it has, kindly leave a like, and if you haven't subscribed, kindly subscribe to the channel for more analysis videos. I will leave the link to my Telegram channel in the description. You can always join us there, where we discuss our trades, and I try to put some setups during the week. Like I said, I normally swing trade, so I probably may not put setups every single day, but if there are good opportunities to trade, I would always put my signals there as well. Thank you very much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Peace.
I can't forget the day we met. Your eyes so blue, me piercing through. I can't forget the day we met. Your smile so bright.